Difference between inductive and deductive reasoning. Definition. Inductive reasoning is a process of reasoning that moves from specific observation to broader generalizations, whereas deductive reasoning is the process of reasoning that starts from general statements to reach a logical conclusion. Approach. Inductive reasoning uses a bottom-up approach, while deductive reasoning uses a top-down approach. Starting point. The initial point of inductive reasoning is the conclusion. On the other hand, deductive reasoning starts with premises. Based on. The basis of inductive reasoning is behavior or pattern, whereas deductive reasoning depends on facts, truths, and rules. Process. Inductive reasoning begins with a small observation that determines the pattern and develops a theory by working on related issues and establish the hypothesis. Whereas deductive reasoning begins with a general statement, that is theory, which is turned to the hypothesis, and then some evidence or observations are examined to reach the final confirmation. Argument. In deductive reasoning, the argument supporting the conclusion may or may not be strong, whereas in deductive reasoning, the argument can be proved valid or invalid. Structure. Inductive reasoning moves from specific to general, whereas deductive reasoning moves from general to particular. Draws inferences. In deductive reasoning, the inferences drawn are probabilistic, while in deductive reasoning, the generalization made are necessarily true if the premises are correct.